It's your creative friends. I'm Minifig.
I'm Stud.
Today we are here with a 2013 2-in-1 TECHNIC set.
This is the Mini Backhoe loader.
Set number 42004, and this has 246 pieces.
We built the one on the cover, and we're gonna give that to you in this video. We're gonna break this video into two parts since there's a lot going on with this set. All right, so we're gonna show you the first build right now. Let's zoom in! All right, guys, this is TECHNIC set 42004, the Mini Backhoe loader. This is a 2-in-1, and this is part one. We're gonna do the second part in another video that we'll link to in the description, and at the end of the video you'll be able to click on it. But this is the cover boy, this is the guy that's on the box, and there's a lot going on with this relatively small TECHNIC set. And that's why I think this is going to be extremely popular. We'll start off by just giving you an overview. So the blue that you see in there represents the seat that the driver would sit in, the backhoe operator. Do have a big scoop on the front and a smaller one on the back, and then there are lots of knobs, as you see. I'm going to demonstrate them for you now. So the first knob, the one on top, is used to steer. So you can kind of see how the steering works. So in a relatively small space, you can get all the way around. I'm going to demonstrate the front end for you first. So we're just going to turn this and lower that down. And there's a knob here. You can get it flush against the ground. We'll scoop what we want to scoop. Twist that up. And then lift this all the way up, and then drive to where we want to dump it out. That is some really cool functionality right there. We also have some more functions on the back. So there is a knob to twist here that lowers that and raises it, and one here. Right, so you would extend it, come down, and make your scoop, raise up, back to where you want to go, and then dump it out. Tried my best so you can see it all in action, but I do kind of want to give you a view from underneath. And then here's what it looks like from the front and the back. So, I mean, what we have here is just a very functional backhoe. So here it is, the first of two videos using these pieces, and I'm kind of bummed that we have to take this apart and build the next one, because A, it was really fun to build, B, because it does have a lot going on. There are several different moving parts of this set as we demonstrated, and I certainly recommend this. The ages are 8 to 14 on the box, and if you're an 8-year-old and you can put this together, you got some real skills. I always liked the TECHNIC sets. They were my favorite growing up because I felt that they were the most challenging. And it also teaches you a lot about how things just work. I mean, you can kind of see there some gears, and then when you start putting all those gears together, you know, as an engineer, it will just start clicking in your brain about how to do other things, and that's why, you know, eventually you'll take it apart and you'll start building your own TECHNIC creations. Then the possibilities are limitless with what you can do with your newfound skills as an engineer. So this is fantastic, even starter TECHNIC set, I would say. So there you go. We're gonna put a link up to video number 2 when it's done, so check that out when you have a chance. Thanks for watching. It's your creative friends. Subscribe, comment, like, all that fun stuff. Stay creative. Peace.